This is a black rice, which is called Chak in Manipur. Yeah, we're going to prepare tea from this black rice. Now let us see how it is prepared, and we'll have a glass of black rice tea also.
We are going to prepare this tea. This one spoon of this powder can make 3 cups of tea. And now let's prepare. This is the hot water. Let's make it cool. And then let's put some of wow, tasty. You can put some of sugar also if you want, and let's have a drink.